Hi and welcome back to another video. Today on the workbench we've got this Infinity air conditioner remote control that's got nothing on the screen. That right in there is just part of the default LCD or a sticker or something. They tried swapping batteries and I tried swapping batteries and couldn't get this thing to switch on. So they do have another remote, so we can at least take a look and see what's wrong with this one. So let's take the batteries out first. Yes, I did try pushing the reset as well. Just make sure these batteries are okay. Yeah, these are the bad batteries. Yeah, this one's good. That one's bad. Let me get a new set of batteries and I'll be back. 1.5 volts. Okay, so these batteries are good. Let's put them in and see. Let's put them in the right way around. Okay, nothing. Hit the reset. Nothing. Okay, that's good. Chuck the bad batteries away. Start New Year's by throwing things away. Okay, let's zoom you out of it, yeah? Okay, so we've got the remote basically open. First thing, let's see if we're getting power from the battery connectors onto the board here. Nothing. These are just dirty battery contacts maybe. Just want to show you what I saw here. Okay, hopefully you can see it. Here's one battery wire. And here's the other battery terminal. This one's squashed behind there, so it's actually shorting to that one. Could that be the problem? Maybe somebody dropped this thing and this battery terminal sprung out of place. Here we go, he's back in his little section. What do you say? These mounts so we can see the moments together. Screen's dead. .7 volts now. Now I'm just going to test across the battery contacts now, yeah. So that's 1.5 across that battery. 1.5. Three volts. Okay, so it looks like now we just got a live. So it looks like we could just have a dirty battery contact. After this thing being motorized. Okay, so I'm just looking. They look fairly good, except for this one over here. It looks a bit crusty. The clown. Let's hit it with some electronics cleaner. And brush its teeth. Looking a lot cleaner. Let's hit the other side. I think I can actually clip this back together now. It looks good. So we missed the label. Okay, let's check that it's giving infrared. Well, it should be, because it was only just the batteries that were shorting out. If you don't have the infrared tester, which is quite an easy thing to build up actually, I must build one of those, but you can just use your cell phone camera normally. If you know how to find your camera on your cell phone. Okay, so sometimes, oh there, let me hold it there so you can see. You see that slight little purple glow. That's as I'm pushing the button. So in other words, this thing is giving out its infrared light. Sometimes if it doesn't work because you've got a UV filter on your torch. Yeah, you can see me. Hi. So if you've got a UV filter on your torch, on your phone, sometimes you can use the other side. The selfie camera sometimes doesn't have the UV filter. This is very interesting, trying to get it all in the shot. You can also see over there. So this phone isn't filtering UV too much on either of the cameras. But there you go. So now we've got a perfectly working remote. We've got fireworks outside and lightning. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and share it to other people if you want. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good year. Oh, wait, I'm stopping on this camera, not on my phone camera. Okay.